Alright, Rad Fam, back on the urban spread doing the reconstituting the soil here. Doesn't really need any actual reconstitution, it needs amending. It was a part of a pot that held a little too much water, a little too much moisture, not so much. But what I've noticed with this soil mix is there's a lot of black in this soil and there's a lot of brown, but there's very little white, and so there needs to be a little more white into this soil to balance things out and kind of blend things in, and you know, just bring some stability and proper drainage and such to this soil. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to add basically a whole bag of, now this is not like fancy, but it is just perlite, and it doesn't have really too much of anything in it that I don't think is going to do a whole lot of damage to our product here. We're gonna mix this in nice and easy. Yeah, blend the white back into this. There's a lot of darker strata in here, and the buildup of the soil was kind of failing. Really didn't have enough drainage in it at this point, I guess, you know, to make it viable. Better. Look at that, harmoniously living amongst the black and the brown is the white perlite in here, and that's what we needed. We needed it to be balanced. There wasn't any balance in here. I'll take a little bit of this in my hand. Oh, that feels nice. That feels really nice. Let me bring a little bit up here for you. We'll take a little look at it together. See what we got going on here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right, guys, that's it. Amended soil. I'm gonna use this in some potting. RadDad out.